Greetings, amazing viewers. I'm Henry and I am thrilled to welcome you to the launch of 10 in Focus, your go-to hub for discovering the most fascinating aspects of our world through the lens of the top 10. If you're new to the channel, I'm genuinely excited to have you here. Now, let me paint a picture of what 10 in Focus is all about. This channel is a celebration of knowledge, a space where each week we embark on a journey exploring a fresh top 10 list that spans a myriad of subjects. From the wonders of science to the mysteries of history, we're diving into it all. The goal is to make learning not only informative but also entertaining. In the spirit of our inaugural video, I invite you to be a founding member of our community by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. Your involvement matters immensely as we shape the future of 10 in Focus together. As we navigate this exciting venture, I want this channel to be more than just a source of information. It's a place for curiosity, discussion, and shared exploration. Whether you're passionate about science, history, or the latest trends, 10 in Focus is designed to cater to a diverse range of interests. Each top 10 list is meticulously curated to offer you a blend of surprising facts, intriguing narratives, and thought-provoking insights. I can't wait to hear your thoughts and suggestions as we evolve and grow together. Join me in this exhilarating ride of discovery, where every video promises a new adventure. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things on 10 in Focus. Thank you for being a part of our journey, and now, let the exploration begin.